Hello, my students. Welcome to the online classes. The subject I'm going to teach you is computers, and the topic for today is categories of computers and computer languages. Before starting the chapter, let me give you an example. Students, you carry different types of bags to different places depending on your requirements. For example, when you go to school, you carry a school bag in which you keep your books, notebooks, and other necessary items. When you go for some sports activity, you carry sports equipment in a sports bag. Likewise, you have to option to select computers that suit your needs. There are four types of computers. First is microcomputers. These computers are small in size and less expensive. They are designed for personal use. That is why they are called personal computers. They are used in homes, schools, offices, shops, banks, and other places. Few examples of microcomputers are given, for example, like desktop computers, laptop computers, tablet computers, palm top computers, handheld devices, smartphones, and game console. Now we have mini computers. These computers are bigger in size than the microcomputers, typically being the same size as that of a refrigerator. They have a higher processing speed and are costlier than microcomputers. These computers are capable to support about 4 to 200 users simultaneously. They are used in banks, universities, and in other big organizations. As you can see in the picture, the examples of Minicomputer, PDP-8, that is Programmed Data Processor. Next is HP 2100, and the last one is Microvax 3100. Mainframe computers. These computers are very powerful. They are big in size with a large memory and high speed. They are designed to tackle huge amount of data. More than 100 users can use a mainframe computer simultaneously. These computers are used in networked environment. Mainframe computers are very expensive and are mainly used for bulk data processing in large business organizations, universities, banks, scientific laboratories, airline and railway ticket reservations, stock exchange market. The last type of computers are supercomputers. They are the most powerful computers with a huge processing speed. These computers are used for weather forecasting, space research, and satellite control. The two examples you can see, one is Cray 1 and the other is Cray 2. The other topic in this chapter is computer languages. Language is a medium to express our views and feelings. To communicate with a computer, we need a language that a computer understands. For every action, a computer has to be given instructions accordingly. The process of writing specific instructions in a computer language is called programming. Each programming has its own specific rules. The development of computer languages has been classified into the following categories. The first is machine language, second is assembly language, third is high-level language, and the last is fourth generation language. Machine language. It is the only language that a computer understands. It is expressed in binary form, that is 0 and 1, where 0 means off state and 1 means on state. Machine language has the advantage of very high speed and low memory utilization. Machine language is also known as first generation language. The next language is assembly language. It is also called second generation language. This language uses mnemonic codes or symbols in place of 0 and 1. For example, If the operation code for addition is 0010 in binary language, it can be directly written as add, that is ADD, in assembly language. As the assembly language uses symbolic codes, hence it is easy to work in assembly language than in binary language. And the images which you can see are the second generation computers. High level language or the third generation language. It is simple and user-friendly language and also machine-independent language. A large number of people started writing computer programs using these languages. They are also known as high-level languages. It is quite similar to English language. COBOL, Fortran, BASIC, C, C++, Java, etc. are some of the very popular examples of high-level languages. Fourth generation language or 4GL. Fourth generation languages are closer to human language than any other high-level languages. It is a combination of languages with the following features. It is highly user-friendly and independent of any operating system. It has very high speed of execution, designed to reduce the level of programming efforts. Minimum efforts are required from the user to obtain any information. It is also designed to reduce the overall time it takes to develop software and the cost of software development. That's all in this chapter. I'll be uploading notes for this chapter very soon. Be safe and stay in your homes. Thank you.